Hello HUFS students, in this video we will explain how to register for courses. First go to hufs.ac.kr. Students from each year will have a different day allocated for registration. Fourth year is on Monday, third year is on Tuesday, second year is on Wednesday, first year second semester is on Thursday, and lastly, on Friday everyone can register for courses. On each day registration starts at 10 a.m. and ends at 4 p.m. Before 10 a.m. you can log in, but you can't register and only check your wish list. Keep in mind that you cannot register on a different day no matter in which year you're in. Click on 수강신청 바로 가기, which means course registration. Put your student ID number and password that you received when you were accepted to HUFS. Initially, the password is your birth date if you haven't changed it. Then click on Login. Click on 수강신청 및 수정 삭제, which means add or delete courses. Check 장바구니, which is the wish list you made before, and click on Search. Once you see the Register button on the left side, start registering for the most important courses. A loading box will appear, which is the waiting list. Each student will receive a waiting number, and depending on how many people are before you, that's how long it will take for you to register. If you receive the message that says 수강신청 저장이 완료되었습니다, you successfully registered. If you see an error that says 잔여 좌석이 없습니다, it means that there are no more seats left, and other students registered meanwhile you were doing the registrations for your previous classes. Keep in mind that each year has a specific number of seats allocated for each class. If you didn't get in some of the classes you wanted, you may need to wait until Friday in order to find extra seats. If you don't succeed on Friday neither, you'll have to wait until the first week of school when it is the course registration alteration period. During the time, students drop and register to other courses, so you may find an empty seat. Also, you may want to remember that the dropping period is in the fourth week, when you can only drop courses and cannot register. Before finishing your registration process, make sure that you have a minimum of 12 credits and maximum 20 credits. The number of credits we advise you to have on each semester are between 18 and 20. On the left side of the page in the menu, there are add or delete courses you successfully registered to, your timetable, and class schedule. To register for classes that you have not added on your wish list, click on 수강신청 및 수정 삭제, check 전공, which means major, and choose any major you want to register classes from. We advise you to check the English and Korean name before the registration period in order to find the major and classes easier. Keep in mind to choose all years to see all classes available, not only those for your year. Some classes are only for a specific year or major, so you may not be able to register if you're not in that year or major. Also, some of your majors classes may be made for students who are either double majoring and minoring in it, or for students from other majors in order to make credits for electives. Plus, if courses from different majors have the same or similar contents with the class you previously took, you may not be able to register. You can always delete any courses from your list by clicking on Delete, but you have to go through the same process again if you want to register again for that class. To register for classes under the Liberal Arts category, check 교양, and choose any category you want to register classes from. We advise you to check the English and Korean name before the registration period in order to find the categories and classes easier. Keep in mind to choose all years to see all classes available, not only those for your year. 신청 가능 과목 means courses with currently available seats. This will make the registration process faster since the already occupied classes will not be shown on the list. Here you can view your fully registered course list and the respective syllabuses. Here you can view their timetable. And lastly, in this section, you can check syllabuses for classes from any other major to which you did not register or wish to do in the next period. You need to choose the category, course, and click on the syllabus button. Don't forget to always log out if you're not using your own device. Some of the errors you may meet during the registrations are: you exceeded the number of hours and credits you're allowed to take. There is a schedule conflict. This class is only for certain majors. This class is only for certain years. Course registration period is between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. This class has no more seats available. You already took a class with the same name or a similar name or content. If you want to retake the class for which you received C+ or under, check the retake button and then click register. Keep in mind that once you register for a retake, your previous grades will be deleted. You apply for the same course twice. Your year is not subject for course registration. We strongly advise you to check your graduation requirements, either to the OISS or your major department office in order to know the exact number of credits for each category. And that's it! You successfully went through the course registration period. Good luck with your semester! When it is not the registration period, you can check classes and their syllabuses by going to international.hufs.ac.kr. Click on Course and on the left side of the page, you will find a menu. Click on Course Finder. Scroll down until you see the body of 강의 시간표. You have to go through the same process as in the registration. Choose your faculty, the year, and the semester. You can choose other semesters in case you want to check what courses are in each one. Keep in mind that some courses are only in the spring or fall semesters. Summer and winter sessions have less courses than the other two. Choose the major and scroll down so you can view the full table. There are 4 different types of courses. Checked with red are the courses that are mandatory to take from your major. Checked with blue are the courses that are taught either in English or the language of the department. Checked with purple are courses that are conducted on online platforms. And finally, in green are the courses made to improve your teamworking skills. As we explained in the registration process, there may be some classes you cannot take because they're for other majors, for double majoring and minoring. Then click on the syllabus button, and there it is. You can check all the details about the course. You can go through the same process for liberal arts. You can also access the timetable from the portal. Go to course registration, student portal, and log in. If this message appears, it asks you to change your password. You can do it or skip it. Click on 강의 계획서 and then 학수 번호 찾기. The same style of table will appear. At the end, you can check your timetable if you click on 개인 시간. Good luck!